Hi, this is Joseph. It is Wednesday, August 19th, 2015. It is now the official close of the New York stock market, and what we've done over the last three trades, we've earned approximately 60 pips on the last three, no losing trades, and we've got a couple of signals that I wanted to draw to your attention. Signals that could potentially indicate that price might move much further or start to trend later on this week or possibly at the beginning of next week. Right now, though, what we're looking at is the euro yen. This is the 1 hour time frame. We've traded this several times to the downside as a result of these short-term breakouts to the downside. Our last position here, we actually closed and banked profits before FOMC this morning. We're looking at the pound yen now, and the pound yen is a little bit different. I wanted to bring this one to your attention because it's been pretty choppy as far as these overall price swings here on the 1 hour time frame. I'm just focusing in right now at the 1 hour time frames to try to gauge my breakout trades. I have a technique that I call the continuation breakout trade, and very often when I trade this technique on this pair, the pound yen, I can potentially earn about 250 pips using a 55 pip stop loss. Now, I don't get very many of those signals. As you can see right here, I don't get too many signals, especially in a choppy market the way it has been over the past few days. But when it does set up correctly, we earn approximately 250 pips. So I am waiting for that opportunity here on the pound yen. So far, I don't have a signal just yet, but this is my overall consolidation range. We're looking at the week's low and then the week's high, and then taking into consideration some of these spike lows from last week. So this is my overall consolidation range here on the 1 hour time frame. So far, I don't have a 1 hour or a breakout on the 1 hour time frame here. Now, that doesn't mean that I won't get a trade here on the pound yen. It's just that if I do, and it's not a breakout of this range, it's going to be a different type of trade, probably a bounce off of support and resistance, something like a Tech 1 trade or an HL30. Now, if we go over here to the euro dollar, this is the euro dollar 1 hour time frame. We did get some signals on the euro dollar time frame, 1 hour time frame, and at the beginning of the week, we were also talking about this. That it was setting up some moves where price was slowly closing below last week's spike low here, this retracement. It was closing, one candle would close and then it would have a lot of divergence, and it would spike up about 40 or 50 pips and then come back down and close again and still have a lot of divergence. And that was a really volatile trading environment right there, and you can see how it just went sideways for like 12, 13, 14 hours. And then it spiked down just a little bit more, but it wasn't giving me any reliable signals or clues as to whether I could expect price to come all the way back down here to support. Because that was the next question that I received from many of my subscribers is, Joseph, do you think price on the euro dollar is going to go down to the 1.0870 area, which was support over here to the left? And I didn't really think it was. I could see a lot of support building and a lot of oversold conditions building up here, especially here and with the divergence in the indicators. So we were able to trade this one, but again, very short-term trades. We're not expecting a whole lot. But so far, after the FOMC decision today, it is possible that this one's probably going to move up a lot further. If it does happen, I might get a signal to take this one and trade this back up towards resistance in here. The pound dollar is holding at resistance, and resistance has been in place for quite some time. We go back over here to the left. This one's July 29th. If it does break out of this overall range right here, I might get an opportunity to trade a continuation breakout trade there. Otherwise, I'll probably wait until price comes back up and spikes to hit this week's high one more time, and then look for clues that price might reverse and come back down, and I could potentially sell that. Another signal that we got here was on the dollar Swiss. This is the dollar Swiss. This is a 1 hour time frame, and prior to this mid-range point right here at 0.9727, I had an overall consolidation range here on the 1 hour time frame with this spike low, which you can clearly see here. That was 0.9677, and then the high of the week up here at 0.9798. That was my overall consolidation range. And again, with FOMC, that created an opportunity where this one was going to drop just below that support level. So it might give me a second entry opportunity to sell this pair with more consistency. This really didn't have any divergence on that signal candle here other than the CCI. The Bollinger Bands were separating away from each other the way we like to see, and then the MACD histogram. But if there's any divergence in that CCI or any one of these three indicators, it could signal that it might be a false move and it might reverse and go right back up inside a consolidation. So I'm going to be watching this one. It might give us a second entry opportunity if price does resume the trend on Thursday and Friday and the dollar continues to drop here versus the Swiss currency pair. I might be able to sell this pair and earn anywhere from 50 to about 55 pips on that one as well. The last three trades, 60 pips approximately, and we executed all of those with the Trade Copier. If you'd like to sign up to use the Trade Copier, all you have to do is go to the purchase page on the website and you can sign up to use it right away and you'll get trades just like this. We've had an excellent trading month and we close every month positive guaranteed. Thanks for watching this video and good luck trading for the rest of the week. If you like this video and you want to get more information about these trading strategies, please click the subscribe button so that you can get instant notification when I put up a brand new video tutorial. Or you can visit my website right now by clicking the Visit My Website button, and I have some free trading manuals for you and extra video lessons with some special discount offers to use my Forex Signal service that will automatically execute all of these trades for you onto your MT4 account.